In the name of Almighty Allah, most merciful and most compassionate. Dear students, I hope you are all fine, doing good, and life has been treating you well. My dear students, to access our more videos, learning videos, please subscribe the Elite Learning Academy channel. I hope you are all ready for today's lesson. Today we are going to talk on a new steps of a research paper which is called Revise Outline. In the previous lesson we talked about the revise thesis statement. So now in today's lesson we are going to discuss revise outline. So this is provided by Assistant Professor Ahmad Tasal Hazraty, MEDT, so Master of Education in Teaching English to the Speakers of Other Languages. Lecturer of Nangarhar University Languages and Literature Faculty, English Department. So today we are going to discuss chapter number 12 for unit number 12, and the title is Revised Outline. So in today's lesson we are going to discuss a few questions. That the first one is, what is revised outline? So your mind would be clear by the end of the lesson about the revised outline, because we already studied the outline or the preliminary outline. This is the next opportunity that we can revise our outline. Besides to know about what is revised outline, we are going to discuss how to revise the outline. What are the ways, what are the aspects, how we can revise it, through which ways we can revise our outline. And in addition to this question, we are going to discuss the next question, which is, what is the importance of a revised outline? What is the significance? Is it necessary to revise the outline or not? So, outline. So we have studied much more about the outline and the primary or the preliminary stage, that an outline is a formal system used to develop a framework to thinking about what should be the organization and eventual content of your paper. Or an outline helps you predict the overall structure and flow of the paper, how to organize the ideas. So what is a paper outline? Outline is a tool used to organize written ideas about a topic or thesis into a logical order. Writers use outlines when writing their papers in order to know which topic to cover in what or which in order. Each outline consists of three main parts: the introduction, the body, and conclusion. For successful in high quality research paper, however, the more detailed outline you use, the better the outline you will have. So, as it is clear that the process of research procedure is an ongoing process, and each step of the doing or conducting research, changes are most welcomed. So after the taking notes, it is believed that you might gain new ideas and information about the issue. You are also need to revise your preliminary outline in this stage too. What does it mean is that we revise our thesis based on the new information that we get throughout the taking notes. Because to know less about something and to know more about something, that is two totally different phases of the learning process. So based on our new information, based on the new outline, the thesis, that we change it or we make it more narrow or we make it more general or we totally change or bring a new claim, so then we need to change the outline based on the thesis. That means we need to bring more ideas and place it in our outline, because the problem is more narrow or the problem is general, then we have to place more ideas, or we have new claims, so we need to bring more ideas about the claims. Keep it in mind that this outline should be more updated, more detailed than the first one, than the preliminary one. We already we already developed one preliminary outline. This is the second opportunity for us to develop or enrich our outline. So we have much more materials in idea. We revised the thesis statement. Now we have to revise outline too, based on the information that we got based throughout the reading. Revise your outline based on the new information and ideas that you gained during your taking notes. So when we take notes, for example, if we have hundreds book about our chosen problem, gaps, or we have thousands of ideas from the people throughout the interview, questionnaire, and other thing, we get it, and now we have to place it in our outline. So it means that we can revise our outline throughout our materials that we have. So we have different ways. The question was at the first that how we can develop, or through which ways we can develop the outline, how we can order our ideas, we can arrange our ideas, we can put in order in our ideas. The first one is numbering. We can use numbering system in order to order our ideas. For example, we are starting from the most important one and move to the less important one. For example, we can use chronological order, we can use logical order, we can use spatial order, we can use different order systems in order to have smooth ideas or report. So we can use numbering. For example, first, second, third. First idea, second idea, third idea. So for example, we have to think that we are using from the most important and move to the less important, or we are starting from the less important and move to the most important. We can use letters. The next part is letters. We can use A, B, C, D, or we can use characters. So again, we can use different techniques of the ordering. For example, we can use chronological order, spatial order, logical order. We can use cause and effect order. For example, we can use contrast order. We have different ways how to order the ideas. Beside this, or in addition to this, we have next ways in order to develop our outline is indentation. Indentation is another way which can help us to develop our outline. For example, we can say A or first, or we can use any characters. So this is the most important idea. The ideas which is about this idea, the main idea or the general idea, we have to indent it. The second idea should be indented. The third idea also should be indented. And the next idea, which is about the indented idea, should be indented of the indented idea. So we have to use indentation in order to show the different degree of the importance. So these all is used to show the importance and relationships of the ideas that we are going to use it in our research paper. So writing an outline is this way, and revising it helps you to discover new ways of organization or of organizing your ideas. So these are the different ways. Beside of these techniques, we can use the tree diagrams. So, or we can use map mapping or mapping system. So in order to order or arrange our ideas in an effective and comprehensible way. Thank you very much from your keen attention. If you have any question regarding the outline, please post your question and you will receive your answers. Thank you very much for watching this video.